Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we have a very exciting problem to solve, and just so that you know, this is an Oxford University mathematics question. And I'm going to show you how to go through this problem the easiest way possible. But if you have a different way of solving this problem, of course, why not put it down in the comment section? So guys, let us get started. So we want to find the value or the values of x and y in this given equation. So let's get started. The very first thing I would like to do, I would like to split up these guys. 9 over 8 is the same as 1 whole number 1 over 8. And this is the same as 1 plus 1 over 8. And this is the same. 1 can also be expressed as 1 over 1 plus 1 over 8. And remember, in the left-hand side, we are having 1 over x plus 1 over y. So if we decide to compare these equations, you're going to see that x is likely going to be 1 and y is likely going to be 8. But because this is commutative, y can also be 1 and x can be 8. So in conclusion, x is likely going to be 1 and y is likely going to be 8 at this first instance, right? And because it is commutative, I mean, you can also have it as 1 over 8 plus 1 over 1. Still the same thing. In this case, you can see that x can now be 8 and y can be 1. So x can be 8 at this case and y is 1. So this is the answer I have for this particular problem. If you have a different way of solving it, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. God bless you. Bye.